Alright, welcome back guys, and today we're grilling and chilling with some Cedar Plank salmon. So here we have the salmon, some lemon slices, brown sugar, some fresh dill, and Dijon mustard. So we have our Cedar Plank here, and while this is soaking in water, in salted water, we are going to prepare this salmon. Alright, so we're using skin-on salmon because the skin protects the salmon from the heat of the grill. Now we're going to score the salmon skin because when you score it, it lets the heat come inside some. So the inside is just as done as the outside. Okay, now we're going to put the Dijon mustard and everything else onto the salmon. You just want to coat it deliberately with the Dijon mustard and everything. So once you do that, hold on. Once you have some nearly everywhere, you just want to sprinkle some on. You don't have to be specific. It can be big globs everywhere. It'll just make it a better piece when you have it. Just coat it a bunch everywhere. The plank has been soaked. Now we're just going to try to put the salmon on. So now we have our salmon on the grill, and we're just going to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's very, very flaky. Let's close this bad boy. Okay, so our salmon has been on the grill for a while now, and we're going to take it off and have a good meal. Alright, so now we have it, and let's try it. Very sweet, very smoky, very, very, very flavorful. You can really taste what the Cedar Plank brought with it.